Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Let's get started. So the first thing that we are gonna do is open our Instagram app right here. So let's open it, and what we're gonna do next is simply tap on the profile button on the bottom right of our screen right there, and from here we want to tap on the three horizontal bars on the upper right of our screen right there, and then next is tap on settings. And from here you want to scroll all the way down until you see account center, and you want to tap on it right there, and from here we simply need to tap on accounts. And from here we can see all the accounts that we have, and we have the options to remove them. So as you can see, add or remove accounts from this account center. Removing an account will also remove any profiles managed by that account, so make sure you know that. And to remove it, simply tap on remove. So we want to remove the Facebook one, so we're gonna tap on this one, and then you want to go and select this one, remove account right here, and you want to continue right here, and then you want to remove again, continue, and pressing this button right there. And as you can see, it has said you removed your account. If you change your mind, you can re-add this account anytime. So that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.